in my work, I listen to a lot of very traumatic experiences. And when I come home, my first ritual every day in the morning after I return home is to go to a waterfall that is nearby. A small waterfall, but it's a beautiful one. And now it's my waterfall, you know. And what I do is I go there at 5 in the morning with my dog, Apollo, which is a big husky, and I just get naked and go into this very freezing cold water. And I ask the waterfall to clean me, to cleanse me, to to take away whatever it is that I brought back with me. And it does. We have been able to bring ex-combatants from all different groups, their victims, as well as community organizers and environmentalists who in Colombia, even though during the peace process and the peace agreement, most of them are still being killed. And when you go into the mother's womb, literally, things happen to you in regenerative processes with nature, in healing not only the human aspect of what has been affected by the war, but also healing what we have done as humans to nature. But when we come together, it's not to do a play. No, we go into the depths of our woundedness, and there we find the depths of our strength and our inspiration and our gifts and what we call our medicine. And what we want to do this Saturday, some of the ways in which we do this combination of theater, ritual, and deep ecology.